Right, so today what I want to look at, we're going to look at the Welding torch. Okay, so we're going to take you through maintenance of the Welding torch, the contact tip, the gas diffuser and the welding shroud. This is just general maintenance that you've got to do all the time. Right, so I'm going to tilt them down there. So what we've got is the welding torch. On the welding torch we've got the neck of the torch. Also there's a spring loaded on there that holds the shroud on. We have the wire coming out of there that's on an inside cable called a liner or an inner cable. Now, three components make up the welding torch. One is the gas diffuser, and if you can see the gas diffuser there, that's got holes in all the way around it. And what those holes do is when the gas travels through the neck of the torch, it comes out here, out of these holes, and creates a vortex. And that vortex travels around inside the shroud, comes out. A vortex is like a whirlpool, and that then shields the weld. So, to set up your welding torch, what you're going to need to do, have your welding wire coming out, put your gas diffuser on, and the neck of the gas diffuser goes down into there, over the inner cable, and then you've got your welding pliers. Now remember these here, these Mig pliers are multifunction. You've got the one there where you can remove a hot shroud. You've got your snips, you've got a one there for cleaning the shroud out, which I'll explain about, and you've got another one there, another little tool, which is just made just for nipping that up, and that's all you need, just a little nip so the contact's tight. Okay, so once you've got your gas diffuser set up like that, and you're quite happy with that, you've got your contact tip. This is 1mm wire and a 1mm contact tip. I always keep my hands out the way, like this, so you don't poke any wire into your hands. Bring it down into the diffuser, screw it up tight, then just nip it up like that. And what you want to make sure is, make sure it's tight, because what happens here is the electrons, or if you like the electricity, flows down the power and it transfers it from the contact tip to the welding wire, and the welding wire melts into the weld pool. So it's important that this contact tip and this diffuser has to be tight. If by any chance it's loose like that, it's like having a bad connection. Your power will fluctuate up and down and you won't get the desired weld that's achieved. Okay, so you've got to make sure everything's nice and tight and neat like that. You can snip it off. So you've got about a 10mm stick out, and this is what we'll call your stick out. Okay, then you've got your welding shroud. The shroud come in all various shapes and sizes for different applications. Now, the good thing about these pliers is this is made for cleaning the shroud out. You've got to keep this clean at all times, because this can affect the gas flow rate. Because when the gas is coming down here in a vortex and there's all spatter and everything around the outside, it's going to disrupt the gas flow rate and potentially cause problems, porosity, voids in the weld, yeah, which is what you don't want. Then the way you can clean it out, you can clean it out, and the good thing about these is it's got a tool on there you can put down inside the shroud, turn it around, keep it nice and clean. And to set it up, like I said, there's a spring on there, and this just simply pushes on like that, and that is all set up. Okay, that's all set up like that. So to remove it, you don't twist it or turn it, you just simply pull it off. If you need to put some new wire or clear a snag at the wheels, what you can do is, I would recommend you take the contact tip off. Then you can, before you feed wire through, like new wire through again, what you want to do is make sure the diffuser's took out before you feed the wire right through from a new reel. The reason is, as it comes through, it could potentially hit that on the inside instead of travelling straight through it. So quickly I'm going to put that on, nip it up, put the tip on, nip it up, put the shroud on, done, ready to go and start welding. So that's it, that's all you need to do for maintenance of your contact tip on the welding torch. Thank you.